Very good morning, children. Welcome back to our maths class. So children, in our today's class, we are going to continue the same topic, that is fraction of a number, which I have started in the last class, or previous class. Alright children? So, we have started chapter 9, that is fractions 2. Yes? And the topic we have started is fraction of a number. So in our last class, what we have learned? We have learned how to find the fraction of a number. Before that, we have recapped the part finding fraction of a collection. Alright children? Now, to find a fraction of a number, what we have to do children? Yes, we have to multiply the number by the fraction. To find the fraction of a number, we have to multiply the number by the fraction. Yes? So now, in our today's class, we are going to see some real life examples in which we can find fraction of a number. Got it? So before we move on to our today's topic, let's do a recap part. Yes? Recap part. So children, just tell me, just you give me this answer. 1/4 of 36 to half of 80 and 3 1/3 of 30. So, how you are going to do this? Yeah, children, as already we have learned in our previous class. It's a recap part for you now. Just let's do recap. So, how to find out fractional number, whole number? What you have to find out here? We have to find out what? Fraction of a number. So, what you are going to do here? Yeah, children? Yes? Here, 1/4 of 36. What you have to do? To find the fraction of a number, we have to multiply the number by the fraction. Yes, we have to multiply the number by the fraction. 1/4 into 36. So 1 into 36 by 4. 36 by 4. It comes how much, children? 9. So 1/4 of 36 is how much? 9. 1/4 of 36 is 9. Half of 80. 1 by 2 into 80. 1 into 80, we have to multiply the number with the fraction by 2. 18 by 2 comes how much? 9. So half of 18 is 9. 1/3 of 30. 1 by 3 into 30. 1 into 30 by 3. 30 by 3 comes how much? 10. So 1/3 of 30 is how much? 10. Suppose I have 30 rupees. I give 1/3 to my sister. Just tell me now. Suppose I have 30 rupees. I gave 1/3 of 30 rupees to my sister. That means how much I gave? I'm asking how much I gave to my sister. So how you are going to find out? 1 by 3 of 30. So 1 by 3, 1/3 of 30 is how much? 10. I gave 1/3 of 30. 1/3 I gave to my sister. So 1/3 of 30 is how much? 10. Got it, children? To find the fraction of a number, as I have already told you, What you have to do? Yes, children, to find the fraction of a number, we multiply the number by the fraction. We have done. Now, in our today's class, we are going to see some real life example in which we can find the fraction of a number. Alright, dear children, so let's take some examples, real life examples where we can find the fraction of a number. So children, I have taken only 2 examples. Okay, how to find the fraction of a number. Alright children, just look at it. So first one is what? Find the following. Number A, 2/3. We need as what? 2/3. 2/3 of an hour. 2/3 of an hour in bracket, here I will write in minutes. 2/3 of an hour in bracket I will write in minutes. Okay. So, what you have to find out? 2/3 of an hour means you have to find out 2/3 of 1 hour. And here it is written what? You have to convert in minutes. So here you see 2/3 of an hour. 2/3 of an hour means 2/3 into 1 hour. So children, 1 hour equal to 1 hour is 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Yes or no? So what we are going to find out? 2/3 into 60. Okay, 2/3 into or 2/3 into 60 minutes. Why I have written 60 minutes? 1 hour. 1 hour is what? 60 minutes. Here it is written 2/3 of an hour in minutes. So 2/3 into 1 hour equal 60. 1 hour means 60 minutes. When I convert into minute, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 2/3 into 60 minutes. So 2 into 60 by 3. 2 into 60 is how much children? 120. 120 minutes by 3. So, how much it will come? 120 by 3 is 40 minutes. So, 2/3 of an hour in minutes is how much? 40 minutes. 2/3 of an hour. Of an hour, 1 hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Already here written 2/3 of an hour in minutes. So 2/3 into 60 minutes. 120 by 3. So how much it is? 40 minutes. 2/3 of an hour in minutes is 40 minutes. Okay? Next comes number B. 1/4 of a day. A day, 1 day. 1/4 of a day in hours. Yes, you have to show it in hours. You have to find out in hours. 1/4 of a day. 1/4 into 1 day. So 1 day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Yes or no? So 1/4 into 24 hours. So 1 into 24 by 4 equal to 24 by 4. So it comes 6 hours. 1/4 of a day in hours is how many hours? 6 hours. 4 6 are 24. 1/4 is quarter. Quarter of a day in hours equal to 6 hours. So 6 into 4, 24. Got it children? Clear? So this is how you have to find out the fraction of a number. This is related to our real life. Got it children? 2/3 of an hour. We got it how much? 40 minutes in minutes. 1/4 of a day in hours equal to 6 hours. Okay, 1/4 of a day in hours equal to how much? 6 hours. Yeah children? Now we will take 2 word problems, which is based on fraction of a number. Okay? So now, it's a word problem. Alright, so what is given in this question? If 1/3 of a class of 30 students, if 1/3 of a class of 30 students wear spectacles, how many do not? What do you have to find out here, children? What fraction of 30 students wear spectacles? 1/3. Now question is asking what? How many do not? How many do not wear spectacles? So how you are going to find out? So same concept. Yes? So how you are going to do this? What fraction of 30 students wear spectacles? 1/3. Okay? Total students 30. Okay, total students 30. 1/3 of 30 students wear what? Spectacles. Spectacles. Clear? That means now we are going to find out the number. Number of students that wear spectacles. So 1/3 into 30 equal to 1 into 30 by 3. 30 by 3, it comes how much? 10. So 1/3 of a class of 30 students wear spectacles. So in number, how many students wear spectacles? 10. Now, what you have to find out? How many do not? Out of 30 students, 10 students wear spectacles. Alright. So how many do not? How you are going to find out? 30 minus 10. It comes 20 students. So how many students do not wear spectacles? So 20 students do not wear spectacles. Got it, children? Clear? Clear? 1/3 of the students of 30 students wear spectacles. 1/3 of 30, how much? 10. So out of 30 students, 10 students wear spectacles. Question is asking how many do not. So 30 minus 10, 20 students do not wear spectacles. Clear, children? So concept is to find the fraction of a number. Got it? Yeah? So next, one more example I'll take. Right? To understand the concept of fraction of a number. And after that, children, I'll give you 2 questions. Okay? You try to solve it. And in the next class, we are going to discuss. Clear, children? Next question. Rima completed 1/10 of a distance of 2 kilometers. Rima completed how much? What fraction of a distance? 1/10 of a distance of 2 kilometers. Alright. Now question is asking what? How much distance in meters has she covered? So Rima completed in fraction 1/10 of a distance of 2 kilometers. She has completed 1/10 of 2 kilometers. The question is asking how much distance in meter. You have to find it in meter. That is a conversion part. Has she covered? So how you are going to find out, children? Yes? So same concept here you have to apply, as I have already told you. Yes? So let's see here how to find out this. Total distance, the total distance to be covered by Rima equal to 2 kilometers. Alright, children? The total distance to be covered by Rima, how much? Equal to 2 kilometer. As we know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 2 kilometer equal to how much, children? 2 kilometer equal to 2000 meter. As question is already asking how much distance in meter has she covered. So Rima completed 1/10 of a distance, 1/10 of a distance of 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer in meter, it's come how much? 2000 meter. Alright, so we are going to find out what? 1/10 of 2000 meter. 1/10 of 2000 meter. Alright, as because the question is asking how much distance in meter has she covered. So what we are going to learn right here? The distance covered by Rima equal to, yes, 1/10 of 2000 meter. 1/10 of 2000 equal to 1 by 10 into 2000. Yes, that means 2000 by 10. 0 you cut. So how much distance in meter has she covered? So Rima covered how much? So Rima has covered how much, children? Tell me now. 200 meter. Clear? So 200 meters of the distance. Total distance to be covered by Rima how much? Equal to 2 kilometer. Alright. How much distance in meter has she covered? As we know that 1 kilometer equal to how much? 1000 meter. So we have to find out 2 kilometer equal to how much? Meter 2000. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, 2 kilometer equal to 2000 meter. As question is already asking here that how much distance in meter has she covered. So we have to find out in meter. So the distance covered by Rima, 1/10 of 2000 meter. 1/10 of 2000 meter comes how much? 200 meter. So Rima has covered 200 meter of the distance. Got it, children? So here we apply what? Right? Fraction of a concept, fraction of a number. I hope it is clear to everyone. Yeah, children? Clear? So in the next class, we are going to learn conversion of fractions. Okay? So till then, you all practice this. Word problems based on fraction of a number. Okay? Thank you.